What's up, guys? We're back with another break. This is break number 1524, final round of our buybacks, Black Diamond, and Artifacts. Thank you all for joining and supporting, especially Anthony, Fred, Steven, and Jordan. Let's see who gets the Canucks. Okay, let's see what our dice roll is. 6 times. 6 times, and the name on top gets the Canucks, and then we'll do another one for the tin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final. Anthony. I think Anthony stayed on top the whole time. So Anthony, congrats, you get the Canucks again. Let's see if we can finally pull you a Canuck card. And let's do a randomizer for the tin. Let's see who gets the tin. 1. Oh, we got to do it again, guys. I forgot to delete that empty spot, which is right here. Okay, 6 times. Name on top gets the tin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. Clean sweep for... Oh, Fred gets the tin. There you go, Fred. You finally won a randomizer. Well, actually, no. You won the Mavericks and the other one, too. But so this is 1524. Fred won the tin. Congrats, Fred. No, Jerry, we're not done. We're doing this one. That's why I was wondering. I'm like, where are you going? We're not done. Anthony closed this one so we can break it tonight. So mega break, guys. As I said, mega break is tomorrow. Also, I'm going to put a double up basketball for $99 a spot. We also have 7 spots left in the Sunday mini. That's a $35 spots. $35 per spot. 7 boxes in there. Mega break is down to 1 spot, guys. 1 spot. Spot number 3 is the only spot left in the mega break. And then we got a case of buybacks teamed random that has 12 left. So buybacks team random has 12 left. I told you guys we'll get the mega break done, didn't I? So Fred, if you are here in the room watching later, I can open your tin. Okay, guys, here are the boxes. 1 and 3 were the leftovers for all 3 products. So we're going to finish with buybacks, obviously. We're going to start with artifacts. Let's go with box number 1 of artifacts. Good luck. Nothing decent came out of the last 3 boxes. So let's hope they're in here. We start with a Chris Letang, Lord Legacy Relics, Pittsburgh Penguins. Fred. Libor Hayek, 623 out of 999 for the Rangers. Rookie. We have a rookie redemption. Can someone look who 213 is, please? If someone can look it up. If you look at Artifacts checklist, and if you scroll down to the rookies, RED213. If you can't, I will look after. Because the checklist is out now. Otherwise, that would have been a random to all. We have a pink 77 out of 85. Jake DeBrusk, Boston Bruins. Oh, that's a good one. 1/49. Rookie dual jersey, 2 colors for the Montreal Canadiens. Ryan Pelling. Fred is absolutely killing this one so far. I think he got 3 of the 4 cards. That's a nice hit, Fred. Alex Kerfoot, 97/165 for the Colorado Avalanche. Steven Gratian. Zach Parise, 225/299 for the Minnesota Wild. And a regular Ryan Pelling, 2/999 for the Montreal Canadiens. Rookie. Not bad. Second box of artifacts. Maxime, you're looking at the wrong year, Joshua. This is 2019-20. That's 18-19 you looked at. This is 19-20. Oh, we got Emerald. Emerald rookie redemption. New York Islanders. Anthony. Thanks, Joshua. Zach Parise, another one to 699 for Minnesota. Green Emerald Jimmy VC, 12/99 for the Rangers. Uh, 213. 213, please, and thank you. Nico Hischier, New Jersey Devils. Orem. San Jose Sharks, 669/699, Brent Burns. For the Flyers, 113/499, two-color jersey, rookie, Philip Myers. And, oh, sick patch. Sick patch. 23/25, Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Jost. Steven Gratian, purple patch. Just missing an autograph on that. That's a nice card. And we finish with Kirk McLean to 599 for the Vancouver Canucks. Not bad. Not a bad couple of boxes. Black Diamond time. We start with box 1. Cale Fleury, Canadiens. Thank you very much. Fred absolutely crushed that one there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cale Fleury. It's not a bad one. MTL. Want to make sure my camera is back. It's back. Retro Exquisite, 227/249, rookie for the Red Wings, Taro Hiroshi. Oh, we got something special there. First up for the Kings, number 8/99, Anze Kopitar. Oh, wow. Fred just killing the break. For the Montreal Canadiens, 6/99, Nick Suzuki. Rookie team logo jumbos. Nick Suzuki. Nice hit there. For the Rangers, rookie gems, 329/399, Adam Fox. Team in the rough, Relics. Pecorine for the Nashville Predators. And Dominic Hasek. Nice Buffalo Jumbo logo. Last Black Diamond, box number 3. Anaheim Ducks, nice Max Jones, 85 out of 299. Patch, rookie. For the Calgary Flames, to 249, Jerome Gilna. Wow, Montreal. Holy Montreal. 17 out of 99, Ryan Pelling. Rookie autograph. Montreal Canadiens. Who's that? Blake Wheeler. Is that the Jets? Blake Wheeler still with the Jets, right, guys? All-Star Team Logo Jumbos. Blake Wheeler. Nice patch. 10 out of 49. Diamond Debut Relics. 3-color rookie patch. Flyers. Philip Myers. And Hall of Fame rings of Scott Niedermayer for the New Jersey Devils. Okay, so as I said, guys, the other side of the case, the round 1, we're going to start it on. If you guys want, I can post it tonight. We can do round 1 tomorrow if you want. At 1 box, just like how we did the last few days. So we can do round 1. If you guys think you can fill it by tomorrow, I'll post round 1 tonight after I finish the breaks. Box 1 of Buyback. Forgot that. He is the captain? Okay. Sorry about that, Jarrett. I didn't mean to disrespect. Ovi, 18 out of 25. Emerald for the Washington Capitals. Okay, guys. So at 9 o'clock tonight, which I'll be done by that time for these breaks. We'll put the new case up, round 1, on the page. You guys fill it by tomorrow. We'll run it tomorrow. It will be a single box from each. So 1, 1, 1. Unless you say put 2, 2, 2. Our buyback is Michael Rasmussen. At least it's a jersey number. 27 out of 27. Michael Rasmussen, Young Guns buyback. 27 out of 27. Fred Kwan and the Detroit Red Wings. Wow. Fred just killed it. And the final box of the case. And final round, box number 3. Right there. I'll put a single or double. Let me know. Yay, Austin Matthews is that a buyback? Yeah. Wow, in this case, all 5 cards were buybacks. There was no regular card in it. 177 out of 199, Austin Matthews. Well, Fred's break luck has been horrible the last few weeks. He told me, he's like, I hope I can redeem myself tonight. Okay, final card, guys. Good luck to you all. It is... Wow. We finished very weak. Anaheim Ducks, Maxime Comtois. Young Gun buyback, 41 out of 53. So the other side of that case, guys, has to have A very nice hit. I mean, that Patrick Roy was nice, but no Gretzky, no Crosby, no Matthews, no McDavid. So I'm going to put... No, I think the Montreal one, the Patrick Roy from the other break, was the... Obviously, the case hit from this one was this, which was in break 1523. I think that was the big one from it. But still, it's not the big card that usually comes in one master case, right? One master case usually has one pretty big card. So hopefully it's on the other side, which is right here. I showed you guys already. So buyback round 2 is this one right here, guys. Ending with 40. And then this one is the buyback for Team Random for tomorrow, 15-11. So, sorry, Anthony. Was hoping that we get you a Matthews or... Not always. You're right. You're right. Not always. But I have a feeling it'll be better than this side is basically what I'm trying to say. I don't know. With the way that they made this product, you can't tell anything at all. It's so, like, it's crazy how you can't tell at all. It's impossible to say how it is going to be. If anyone wants any personals, guys, I'll be live for another 7 minutes. And we could do any personals. If not, guys, right after I log off, at 9 o'clock, I will post the double up basketball for $99 a spot. And then I'll have the fresh cases of these, well, fresh inners, the other side of this case. Double up or single up. You guys didn't say it. We'll just put a single because it's cheaper. There's lots of $15, $20 teams. That way it's more affordable. Unless someone says do a double, we'll do a double. Otherwise, we'll just do a single. But we got the mega break going out tomorrow as well, guys. So it'll be a pretty big day. Try to come down to the shop if you are not busy with the family. Probably going to be the last one before Christmas, because I think next week a lot of you guys are going to be with family. It will be the 22nd of December, next Sunday. So I have a feeling that we won't get a lot of you guys here next Sunday. But tomorrow, definitely still 10 days before Christmas. So hopefully you guys can make it down to the shop. We'll be live from 4 o'clock Pacific time. And we'll start, maybe we'll start with the mega break. I don't know. We'll see. We have one left in the mega break. You guys close it. Mega break will probably be the first break of the night. And we can start with that. There's one left in that one. I'm so excited about it. And basketball has been hot, but unfortunately our high-end PYT Immaculate was good, but the other boxes were pretty weak. I'll come up with more boxes for next week, guys. But for tomorrow, we'll have a random double up basketball. And we got some buybacks random. We got a Sunday mini. We got the mega break. And we got basketball. We got baseball, football already on the site. Final call, guys. If you need anything, please let me know. And I'll try to see if I can fix Restream for tomorrow. Maybe we have to refresh everything. It's still saying sending data. I don't know why. But hopefully we can fix it. Thanks, YouTube.